classroom requirements, these are driven by government recommendations in the Education Funding Agency specification. In many cases, classrooms require just a simple on-off switch. But in other cases, they do need further control, and the control to ensure that lights are only on where they're needed to be, and that they're at the right intensity, and they have the right amount of control. For instance, at the front of the classroom, the teacher may need to dim or switch off lights at the front for an interactive whiteboard, or they may need to have the lights dimming, according to the specification, to make use of natural daylight. You can do that with occupancy sensors which have built-in lux sensors, and also you can achieve the control through zoned areas using products such as lighting control modules and separate sensors. So how can we achieve this with the products that we have? Well, with the LCM, the lighting control module, it's a 4-zone or 4-channel system. So you can have different lighting control for the front of the classroom. You can have an input from dedicated sensors in the ceiling for lux sensor. So you can have dimmable lights or switch lights off with use of natural daylight, so making the most of that natural daylight. You can also have a switch by the door, which obviously is needed, which can be on, off, dim, up and down. And in addition to that, you can have switches by the teacher by the whiteboard, which you can have dim up and down, switch on and off, but also just switch the bank off at the front of the classroom. This can all be done and programmed by an LCM, which makes it easy and very low cost. The app is free to download, and you can then do all of this yourself on site without having to call in anybody to do the commissioning.